Right, akyat tayo ulit. Kasi yung SM Santa Misa, ano daw doon sa Bimapa Station. Alright, thank you. Alright, dito na tayo. Dito na tayo sa Bimapa Station. Alright, hindi naman daw dagdagan. Sakto na lang daw. Exit na tayo. Thank you. At Bimapa Station. Ayan, dito na tayo. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hindi naman na dinagdagan yung bayad. Same pa rin. From Cubao Station to Bimapa Station. Dito na yung SM eh. Alright, dito na yung SM. Thank you so much.